Hi, I'm Curtis Bartis, and behind the camera is Mr. D. So I just wanted to do a very quick video to remind you guys of buying Bitcoin. Not financial advice obviously, but to remind you to obviously own Bitcoin. There's a saying, it's more riskier not to own Bitcoin than to actually not have Bitcoin. Does it make sense to you, Mr. D?
It's risky not to own Bitcoin than it is to have the Bitcoin.
I just wanted to do my monthly buy where I buy my Bitcoin, and I just wanted to I've been promoted to a level 3 user on Luno, so people using the link will get a 200 Rand free Bitcoin when you buy 500 Rand worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, so it's gonna be a very quick video. I'm just gonna show you you can zoom in, Mr. D, if you want to decide. So I made a lot of videos on what do you call it, Luno and Vala, so that's more in depth where you can obviously go over and learn as much as you can, because you don't want to get into something that you don't understand. So I'd recommend go to these two playlists here. Where is it now? Luno and Vala. Then obviously go through all these videos, because then this will get you up to date of obviously how to buy Bitcoin, understanding more about it. So don't just go buy this, follow my instruction now. Go look at these videos obviously first, and then understand, and then follow the steps and try to learn as much as you can about cryptocurrency. Very simple to claim the 200 Rand. In that videos I showed you can do a market buy or limit buy, but to claim basically the 200 you have to do a market buy, which I want to show you. So obviously once you fund it, which I did explain in that video, so you will just click buy. So you'll just click on, we want to use a crypto. Obviously we want to use Bitcoin. I got it. Just click next. It's a once off, so now I'm just gonna say you use your ZAR, and obviously now this is where you're gonna put the amount. Like I said, if you want to claim to 200 Rand, you have to use at least 500, but I'll just click max for this video, and then confirm. There be some KYC fingerprint.
Yeah, I see.
And that's it. That's basically it. So now you own some Bitcoin, and that's basically, like I said, it's obviously get some Bitcoin, so you know you have it. So if you don't own some, it's very straightforward. Watch these videos, and that's basically how you become a Bitcoin investor. So, yeah, that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Very short, very straightforward. Like I said, educate yourself. Don't just get into a topic. And yeah, I'm Curtis Bartis, and Mr. D behind the cameras.
I'm Dayan.
And we will spot you in the next one. Peace.